My name's Dawn Powell. I'm the manager of e-commerce with Kids2. Kids2 has been a Salsify customer since 2014. Salsify has definitely speeded up our time to market, and it's also allowed us to have more complete and accurate product data to get us to market. Salsify has been a great partner for us, and I don't think we could have done the implementations for Salsify Advance and all of the different things that we need to meet our business without their backing. One key thing is that data accuracy is critical, and that our consumers can't make a decision without having that accurate data, whether it's images or product descriptions or dimensions. And Salsify allows us to do that and present the content in a concise way that makes it easy for all of our team to access and for us to get to market faster with accurate content. Looking at customers, as far as both our distributors and retail partners, as well as our end user consumers, it's allowed us to present information with accuracy, our photos in the order that are needed, presented in the format that our retail partners need, and also presentation to our end-use consumers to have the information they need to make a decision about selecting our product.